In this video, we're going to learn about the relationship between multiplication and division. So if we have a problem like this that says solve, if 2 times 4 equals 8, what is 8 divided by blank equals 4? And we need to find the blank. So the first thing is to understand the inverse relationship between multiplication and division. So use the numbers 2, 4, and 8 to create different division sentences. So let's try to figure it out. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So we're using 8, 4, and 2. So we know that's not the right answer. Then let's try 8 divided by 2. That equals 4. That's the answer. So the number 2 goes in the blank space. So these are pretty simple concepts, and they will help you throughout your education process for multiplication and division. If you need more help with these types of concepts, you could take a look at the description. I have other videos in the description. There's links there. And you can also download the ebook, and you could follow along this exact lesson in the ebook. And thank you so much for listening.